Figma Motion is finally here, bringing a new dimension to your designs. You can now manage complex animations directly within the familiar Figma workspace. Control your motion with precision using the intuitive timeline interface. Fine-tune your movement with custom easing curves to get that perfect feel. Bring elements to life with granular control over position, scale, and rotation. Use simple prompts to generate advanced, glitchy type effects in seconds. Add depth to your interfaces with powerful 3D transform capabilities. Speed up your workflow by adjusting animation timing directly from feedback comments. Keep your design system consistent by applying branded motion tokens to your icons. From subtle interactions to complex transitions, Figma Motion makes it all possible. Now you can create animations directly inside Figma using CSS-based motion. From micro interactions to advanced animations, everything stays inside your design workflow. Design it, animate it, ship it.